Ready? Exercise number 9. Start. This writ petition had been filed inter alia for the following reliefs. Quote first. Issue a suitable writ, order or direction in the nature of certiorari quashing the order dated 18/10/1993. Second. To issue a suitable writ, order or direction in the nature of mandamus directing the respondents to make payment of salary to the petitioner regularly along with all arrears on that account. Stop next para. The brief facts enumerated in the present writ petition are as follows. Quote next. Panchsheel Inter College, Fatehganj, Jaunpur under bracket hereinafter referred to as institution bracket out is a duly recognized institution and is governed by the provision of UP Secondary Education Services Commission and Selection Board Act 1982 and the rules framed thereunder. The post of principal fell vacant in the institution on 30/6/1993 on account of retirement of one Sri Raj Bahadur Singh. Stop next para. The Committee of Management under bracket in short management bracket out had already notified the vacancy of the post of principal to the commission and it therefore promoted one Sri Raj Bahadur Singh, senior most lecturer, as principal on ad hoc basis. On account of ad hoc promotion of Sri Raj Bahadur Singh to the post of principal, the post earlier occupied by him, that is the post of lecturer in history, fell vacant. The Committee of Management proceeded to fill up the post of lecturer on ad hoc basis under the provisions laid down under UP Secondary Education Services Selection Board under bracket second removal of difficulties bracket out order 1981 under bracket hereinafter referred to as second removal of difficulties order bracket out. Next para. The Committee of Management thereafter informed the District Inspector of Schools Jaunpur under bracket in short DIOS bracket out about the aforesaid vacancy and also advertised the post in question. In pursuance of the aforesaid advertisement, several candidates including the petitioner applied and were called for interview, which took place on 5/9/1993. A merit list was prepared on the basis of quality, point marks, and the petitioner was found to be the best candidate amongst all the applicants. The Committee of Management thereafter passed a resolution in favor of the petitioner on 8/9/1993 and thereafter sent the papers regarding selection of the petitioner to the DIOS on 29/9/1993. The papers were duly received in the office of DIOS Jaunpur on the same day, that is 29/9/1993. The DIOS, however, did not pass any order in the matter as required under the provisions laid down in second removal of difficulties order. Stop next para. After waiting for a period of more than 1 week, the Committee of Management issued an appointment letter in favor of the petitioner on 10/10/1993. In pursuance of the appointment letter, the petitioner joined duties on 11/10/1993. The DIOS Jaunpur, however, on 18/10/1993 passed an order rejecting the proposal submitted by the management regarding appointment of the petitioner on the post in question on the ground that the management has no power to make appointments on the post in question in view of the ordinance dated 14/7/1992, wherein only the selection committee as provided therein has been empowered to make appointment. Therefore, the DIOS was of the opinion that the alleged appointment of the petitioner was in contravention of UP Secondary Education Services Commission and Selection Board Act 1982 under bracket in short Act 1982 bracket out. Full stop. Thank you very much. Guys, there is one humble request. Please subscribe my channel for next audio and please repeat the matter. Thank you very much.